What up, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm a tech guy, and I'm gonna do a small miniature review of the LG G6, the Boost mobile version of it. But before I go any further in the video, I want to give a shout out to Dranionic Warfare. It was his video that I saw first to talk about the $50 deal with Boost Mobile getting the LG G6. So I just want to give a shout out to him first. Before I go any further into the video. Now, I picked this up like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. Um, and I had to say I'm loving the devices. I have no complaints about it for real. Except for maybe the camera quality. But I'll get to that later in the review. But other than that, the phone is a beast. For $50, you put in your number, and you get this joint for like $50, man. With taxes and your plan, I pay like I think like 130 over everything, and that's including this case I got too. I went and got this case at the same time, so I have some protection for the phone when I got it. But anyway, so in a box, you really don't get a lot of information. You don't get no, quick starter guide to tell you just the basic specs of the phone. You don't get that. You don't get it on the box at all. That's all you get. That's the most you get. The other side is, of course, the little information that I'm not going to disclose, but that's really all you get. You really don't get too much any information with this phone. So, and you get your charger, the USB Type C cable. They did throw in this cloth. And it has, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if it, yeah, you can see a little bit of it. Say LG on there. So you know you wipe down your phone, whatever. And that's basically it. You get a little book with the your warranty and all that crap, information, safety information. That's it. But as far as a quick guide to tell you what the phone has that we all interested in, it doesn't give you that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna read off the specs from Boost Mobile website concerning this phone, and then we're going to my little opinion about this device. So, okay, battery, 3300 milliamp battery, talk time up to 28 hours. Of course, it's not removable. Memory, you get 4 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of ROM memory on the phone. And you get up to, through micro SD card, you get up to 2 terabytes. I think that's right. Processor, you get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 821 with a 235 gigahertz plus a 1.6 gigahertz quad-core custom 64-bit Qualcomm Cryo. Operating system is 8.0 Android. Camera, you get dual 13 megapixel wide angle rear cameras, 5 megapixel wide angle front camera. Display, 5.7-inch quad HD plus full vision display, 2880 by 1440. And that's it. Everything else really don't. No, that's it. That's all the basics. Far as battery life, I really don't talk too much about battery because I'm a truck driver, so I always got a charger with me. But I can tell you, I guess it's average. about that 4 or 5 hour on screen. I guess about average. Um, Charging time is pretty quick. I do this phone the same way I do my iPhone. I put it in low power saver mode and then put on the charger. And it charges quicker that way, you know. So I found out that, you know, whether you do it with Android or you do it with iPhone devices, it's going to charge quicker. So that's cool. Let's read off. Well, not read off nothing. You get your display here. You get your power volume rockers on this side. Get your power. No, you get your SIM tray. Now the SIM tray is flimsy. I will tell you that it is flimsy. You get your power button and fingerprint scan on the back with your 13 megapixel cameras on the back. Your headphone jack on top. Your USB Type-C charger on the bottom with speakers and a mic. You also get that mic on top. It also is wireless charging, so you can put on a charging pad and then charge your phone up. Get your camera here on the front, your sensors, and your earpiece. Wow, you see how fast that is? That's one of the highlights about this phone. The fingerprint scanner is super fast. Now, you see my finger? I'm going to put it on there. Watch. Just that quick. You ain't got to push it, just tap it. So, I can't compare it to any other Android device as far as the fingerprint, how fast it is. But I can tell you right now, with this phone, this joint is fast. So, yeah, so, you know, that's one of the pros about this phone. You get a fast fingerprint scanner. You also can unlock your phone, I guess, with your eyes or your face, whatever. I never mess around with that setting, so I don't know how it works, but you do have the option on this phone as well. I do like that the phone is compact. You know, you can hold it in one hand, you can work it in one hand. Get everything done with one hand. You know, that's cool with me. And it's 5.7 inch. This screen is actually bigger than my iPhone. And I have to admit, owning this phone, having me take second guess about buying the iPhone 8 Plus versus buying the iPhone 10. Because I had an iPhone 7, and I'm like, you know, same size. I'm like, you know, if I'm going to upgrade, I want to feel like I did an upgrade. And that's why I got the iPhone 8 Plus. But messing around with this phone and watching movies on this phone, YouTube on this phone, yeah, I'm kind of thinking like maybe the iPhone 10 probably would have been better. Because the iPhone 8 Plus is a big phone. And, you know, you get the big bezels on it. But this joint being so compact, you know, hey, I'm enjoying it, man. That's the best way I can say it. Hey, this 5.7 inch, it's smaller than, you know, the iPhone 8. I mean the iPhone 10, because it's got a 5.8 inch display, as well as the Galaxy phone S9 and S8 got that 5.8 inch display. But man, this is it's just perfect, man. The display is cool, you know. It's not AMOLED, but it's cool. This is your basic Android phone, man. You can customize it how you wanna, and you know, make it your own. You know, I got my little Iron Man on there, home screen. I got my War Machine as my lock screen, and yeah, you do got the double tap to wake to on this phone. You know, your LG basic features you get all that with this phone. Now, another reason why I got this phone wasn't just because the deal, was because I also looked it up to see will this phone get Android Pie. And according to the internet, it is a strong possibility that this will get Android Pie, which is, yeah, I'm cool with that. So I'm hoping that they get it. And yeah, but anyway, man, music on this phone with the headphone jack is beautiful, real clear. Headphone jack, watching movies, YouTube, crystal clear. You know, as far as the deep specs about all of that, you have to watch another YouTuber. I'm just your average guy giving you my 411 on this phone. And I'm telling you, this is an awesome deal for $50. Now, I think they're doing it now at Boost Move for I think $200 you get this phone, which is still an awesome deal. The camera, let me show you the camera real quick. You know what? Maybe I'll just do a separate video on that. But what I will show you is what I like about it. I like the two buttons here. You get your regular, and then you get your wide angle. And that's just, I like that. Real simple, man. Real simple. And it's sick. It's sick. I'm gonna do a video all about that later. But for us, my 2-week miniature review on this phone, it's a go. I would say get it, man. I would say get it. The camera, you can do good videos with it. You can do pictures with it. I'll do another video on that later, but I can tell you right now, man, for us just a good deal, this would be your best deal right here, man. 50, well, I don't know if it's still $50 with a port in. I don't know. You got to check around about that. But I do know they have it for $200 right now on Boost Mobile website. And I tell you, this is a killer deal, man. A killer deal. So, just my 411 small review about this phone. I'm enjoying it. Boost Mobile service, it's cool. You know, where I go at, I get service, so I can't complain about that. So, there you have it. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up. If you like it even more, subscribe. It's been your boy. I'm a tech guy, and I'm out. Peace.